Understand? Today we'll be dealing with another, we'll be diverting to another command entirely. Now we are dealing with, I want us to go a little bit into a church aspect or on how to create a quote. Understand? I call it a quote. Understand? You can easily, so this particular today now, I've noticed that a lot of media people, a lot of graphic designer, a lot of people that they think, understand, they are do or done, understand, in the church, they delay uploading messages maybe during church. You can even use this particular one, you can still use it for your own personal quotes, daily quotes, or that maybe you are somebody that you are a writer that you normally quotes. So you can easily use it for yourself, understand, by creating a quote daily or weekly or monthly, understand. You can still use it for your boss. Maybe you want to entice your boss, you just want to like your boss normally talk something, you want to like try to create something just to make him happy, understand. So you can do that for your boss also. So it make you look kind of really understand in office also. It make it to give you some upper hand in office. And so by using your phone or your tablet or your system, understand. So, but how do we do it is that you can this particular one you can do it in two ways. If you don't want your face to show, if you don't want the person's face to show, or if you want the face to show, you'll be doing it. So I'll just give you the command. So normal, if you want the person's face to show, you upload. Then you go to where you have the picture. So I'll still be using that my same picture. Don't forget, I'll still be using that my same picture. So you can see here. So I cannot give you a command. You can see my command there. So I write quotes. So for him to know. So I put it in a column, understand, so that it is, you can see my command there. So it's inside a column so that it will surely understand that this is what I'm trying to give a command. So now this is my further command. I tell him that okay, you should put the pastor, the speaker in the left corner side. If I don't want it in the left corner side, I can say in the right corner side. So this is just the command. Understand? But now, and I said you should, don't forget, and I said you should put a logo. Understand? Put the logo on top. Understand? Then you should add my name on the underneath. So now I've already given the name. You can see the name at the bottom. This is the picture. So this is the name. So you can give the command. So now I will now have to upload, since I've already given asked to put the logo. I will now go and look for the logo. So I put the logo here. After loading, then I can now say, okay, run. So let me do the same thing for AI also. You can see I have this here. So I'll just upload my picture. So I give the same command. Then I still upload my logo. So after loading, then I'll say run. So let's see if this one has already. So you can see this has already finished. Understand? So then let's wait for this. So this is trying to generate now. It's coming up, so you can see it's bringing out the results. So you can see how this creates it for me. So you can see the results. So you can easily use this. So if you notice this my before picture, you can see the picture that I upload for AI. And I'm not even holding my bet. It uses Sense to give me a mic. And so that's just how it is. So, but if you have a picture, the pastor picture that you want to use, so any command that you give to AI, then don't forget that I'm the one that command AI to give me this mixed background, mixed red background. Understand? So whatever command you give to, so you give to you, then you can now download. So this easily make your work easy in church. Understand? As a media person, it creates a quote for you. Understand? Instead of now using your Photoshop to now be like trying to get a lot of templates before pastor they've already closed the church before you even upload. Even though people inside church will have been tired or so, but when you have this now, pastor is preaching, you are giving him back to back. This also, if you have it in your office, you can easily use it in your office and you get your results and your boss will like, wow, so this is what you can actually offer. So today, that's what we are dealing with today, how to create a quote. Then don't forget, as this is going on, maybe you want to create another one. There's no need for you now going back to all these things. So you can just come here, you can just type another thing, another quote you want to. So you can come to you after coming to your edit stuff. So you can now say go so you can just say So you can just give anything. So now you now update. So you can see this is what I click. So now it's uploading. So you click this thing, so it's your edit. It show you edit. So when you click it, you edit. So now it's loading. So after loading, but I will always advise, if you want to do a code like that, always use this Gemini. It give you a perfect result fast. So it's loading. So you can see the result. So if I still have another one, I'll still go back there. I'll still click on this edit prompt. Then I'll still, so from there, you are just, after downloading this one, you do another one. So before you know, within 10, between 10 seconds, 1 minute, you are done with almost all the pastor quote for the day. So then you can now upload to the church website or the page or the social media or the WhatsApp. So everybody will be shocked before closing up, before pastor even finish his preaching on the altar. You've already, you are done with your work. Same thing in your office, same thing in your personal. You can wake up early in the morning and just create a quote and upload it in your status. People will be wondering, wow. So this, you are just trying to, AI has already advanced this to a normal level. So that's just our training for today. So don't forget, you can easily edit. So when you edit, then you, after editing, then you show you this update, then you can now update. So it will pump it up again. So then you get your result, then you download. So that's how what we are doing for today. So thank you. Make sure that you always subscribe in case, because I'll be giving you back to back command, as I said. So subscribe, like, and share to all your media person, all your friends that you know that yes, they are interested in this particular. I'll still be giving us another banger about this social media of a thing. So thank you for that.